Let me tell you about the best Canva apps that can help you a lot with your editing. Let's start. First, you need to go to the Apps section in Canva. Here, you can search for any app. Let me tell you about the first app. First app name is Typecraft. Write Typecraft in the App Search section and click on the first app. With the help of this app, you can stretch text according to your own design preferences. Type anything you like. And after that, you can change the fonts and stretch your font as desired. You can also change its color. Then, just click on Add to Design. If you want to make some changes, simply make the adjustments and click on Update Design. That's how you can use this lovely app. Let me know what you think in the comments. Next one is Type Extrude. Now write Type Extrude and press Enter. After that, open this app. This app can make long shadow text. First, type anything in here. And after that, change its font if you want. Then, you can change its border weight or increase the length of the shadow to get the desired effect. When you're done, just click on Add to Design and adjust it anywhere you want. If you want to change its color, just change it and click on Update Design. Bingo! That's how you can use this app very easily. Third one is Enhancer. Type Enhancer and press Enter. After that, click on the app. This app can help you enhance your images quickly and for free. Click on Open and then click on Choose File to select any file from your computer. It takes just a few seconds, and bingo! Your image has been enhanced. Here is the difference, you can see it clearly. This app is also great for editing your designs. Fourth one is Colorize. Type Colorize and press Enter. This app can help you add colors to black and white images. Choose any black and white image, and then click on Colorize. It takes a few seconds, and bingo! You can see that it automatically adds color to the image. Let me know in the comments if you like this app. Next one is FrameMaker. Search FrameMaker and press Enter. After that, click on the first app. With this app, you can easily create your own picture frame style according to your design preferences. When you're done, click on Add to Design. After that, go to the Upload section and upload any image into this frame. Just like that, it helps you make your design stunning. Next one is Easy Reflection. Search Easy Reflection and press Enter. Click on the first app and open it. It will prompt you to upload any image from Elements or from your computer. I'm selecting from Elements by searching city and choosing an image. Then, I will click on Create Reflection. Here, you can set the offset and opacity. When you're done adjusting, just click on Add to Design, and your image will have a reflection. I'm adjusting it randomly as an example. This is how you can create reflections very easily. Exactly like that. Next one is Magic Morph. Search Magic Morph and press Enter. Then click on the app. This app will give you beautiful text styles. Let me show you how it works. Go to the text section and click on Add a heading. Type anything, like Canva. Go back and choose the example you want. For instance, I'm choosing this one. It will take a few seconds, and bingo! It will provide us with 4 results. I will choose one randomly. Look, guys, my font is looking so beautiful. This app is also very helpful. Next one is Cyber Avatar. Type Cyber Avatar and press Enter. After that, click on the app and open it. Now, choose any image you want, and it will turn your image into a cyber avatar. It will take few seconds. Like this, bingo! This is the image I just created with Cyber Avatar. I hope you like this app as well. Last one is Anime Style. Search AI Anime and press Enter. Then click on the Anime Style named app and open it. It will ask for a prompt about what image you want to create in anime style. For example, I'm writing a boy with a cycle and click on Create. It takes a few seconds and bingo! We have beautiful AI anime image. I hope you like this AI app as well. If these apps are helpful in your designs, then like, subscribe, and share them with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye bye.